Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Ashrae 170, which is a standard for ventilation in healthcare facilities. First thing, Ashrae stands for American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers. Now, the key points of Ashrae 170 are all about creating a safe and healthy environment for patients and healthcare workers. This means things like controlling airborne contaminants, managing humidity levels, and ensuring proper airflow to prevent the spread of diseases. But why is this so important? Well, healthcare facilities are unique environments with specific needs when it comes to ventilation. Sick patients can easily spread germs through the air, and healthcare workers are at risk of exposure to those germs. So, having a standard like Ashrae 170 helps ensure that everyone stays safe and healthy. And let me tell you, Ashrae 170 is very important. It's a comprehensive standard with specific requirements for everything from air filters to air exchange rates. But that's a good thing. It means that healthcare facilities can follow these guidelines to create a consistent level of safety across the board. So if you are in the healthcare industry, make sure you are familiar with Ashrae 170 and its requirement. And if you are a patient or visitor, rest easy knowing that your healthcare facility is doing everything they can to keep you safe and healthy. That's all for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to stay informed and stay healthy.